722. No. 3722. Tony's mother's house kitchen. We're gonna test out the water now on the faucet side. Go ahead, turn it. Ooh, look at all that color. Okay, you turn the hot side. Ooh, look at all that. We should be having somebody catch this, huh? Instead of going into the drain. Is that hot?
Yeah.
All right, you shut it down. Oh man, we should have put a white bucket in there and catch all that. What is that? What was I not thinking? Okay, so we are not dripping here, and we're not dripping there. Looking good, looking good.